Whiplash injuries are common in car accidents and many other types of collisions where your head is jerked back and forth quickly. Proving a whiplash injury claim is not always easy, though. Insurance companies will often try to dispute whiplash injuries, which is why you need supportive evidence on your side. Medical documentation is a crucial piece to build your case. You should never delay medical treatment after your accident, even if you fear that it might be expensive. Copies of your medical records detailing your symptoms and diagnosis, as well as any test performed, can serve as evidence that can prove the severity of your whiplash injury. Other types of evidence that can be useful in a whiplash injury claim include witness statements testifying on the severity of the accident, police reports made soon after the accident, and photographs and videos taken at the scene of the accident. Your lawyer at Maison Law will work with you to gather as much supporting evidence as possible to build a strong case. Contact Maison Law of California for a free consultation after your accident. We'll evaluate your case and help you to understand all of your legal options.